agreeable? Congratulations! Palakpakan kami! Okay, next question. Sino daw po ang celebrity friend? Cheesecake is wrong! Yes, ma'am. Cheesecake is a group side. Group, okay, friend. Sino daw po? Three? Three is wrong! Yes, sir. Two is correct. Congratulations natin. Mega World Sales, hindi. Tama ba yun? Okay, tama pala. Properties. Here, Mr. Ardel has. Hello, sir. Mr. Alvin has. Hello. The reason why these two couple is here at the center, because to witness
Yuki!
everybody pampagana, palakpakan sa Lexter.
Babalik pa rin sa'yo. Pipiliin ko maging malaman mo. Iyo ako ang nananggap luhat na hayo. Sa huli, hanggang sa huli.
Gentlemen, the couple were about to cut a piece of cake, and after that, kung gaano daw po kalaki ang isusubo nila sa bawat isa, ganun din daw ang pagmamahal.
Oh my gosh. Guys, medyo mahaba po ito. Hindi po nakakakilala sa akin. I'm we wanted to have a good paying job. Just believe that.
Hey!
And yes, Lexter is MJ's first. We were his companion na lang. Not romantically, to be happy. May panon, doon namin nakilala ang aming special someone. May also, kaya sabay kami nag-job hunt. But God didn't grant to us. Kay MJ na, nagbebenta siya ng insurance. Ang reason pala talaga kung bakit hindi nila yung mga plans na on the history about our friendship. I met MJ when we were in college. Medyo vivo siya sa account. Tapos assignment sa PE. Mula noon, she always clings to me. Honestly, makagraduate. And yes, we did. Most of our time nasa life, okay, kumain, hindi para gawa ng assignment. Ngayon, and yet, we're still besties. There was a time na ko siya sa bahay, dahil iniwan ko siya bigla without her notice. She still ginano at makamap niya. Kaya I realized, Lex, kahit sa dami ng hindigan niya yun, kahit it pains her or maiwan. Best memories of her na namimiss ko sa kanya. Through it all, in my constant. Ready na siyang makinig. I'm very thankful just not best in the room. Lex and I, actually kami unang naging magkakilala ni Lex, nakilala si MJ sa workstation ko noon para magkwento at magtanong about kay MJ. Ako pa noon, best friend ko. Sorry guys, block mo sa kanya. When MJ met you with confidence, I saw a new smile to her. Kahit nagra-run siya sa akin at the end of her story. At unti-unti nun mapapalitan yung inis or galit niya ng forgiveness. Since day one. Up to this day, that is why I'll still have this vision to sasaya. I once said to her na ikaw talaga ang para kay. And let go. I know this new journey will never be easy as a married couple. Give parents a ready to help. May your journey together be filled with joy and hope. Open a new address to Mary Joy and Lexter. Love continues arms.
And now we request everybody to please raise your at patunogin ito. Para sa mahabang pagsasama, puno ng pagmamahalan at pagbigat tayo. Cheers, everyone!
Hindi ako naiyak, libre mo.
Di masungkit, bituin ay mapapahid. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo ay
Lahat ng natin bagong mahal. Kasi yun, wish ko lang sana magtagal kayo. Kayo, pupunta na kayo sa pagkapamilya. Sana, pagpunta namin sa inyo, sana tandaan nyo. Yun lang.
Bali, sabi ko, hindi na ako nasasalita. Kasi ko na ko na sila ng makakapag-usap na tayo. At salamat at nakagdagan naman yung aking pamilya. Yun, mga kaibigan niya, mga kapatid, mga kakilala niya. Pwede mawala yung kanyang parents. Kasi sa buhay nila, tatagal mawala.
To start yung message ko for you. Growing up, we are so proud because of you, and you're one of the main reasons why I'm still ay ikaw lang na ikaw yung pipiliin ko kahit ayaw mo na ako, kahit pagod ka na ako. Being my partner in crime, thank you for being biggest of mother. Please stay healthy and kind. I'm so happy that kasi sana mag-stay your life with new book and a new story to write. Thank you because I'm growing up with sa akin. Tapos sasabihin ko kung gusto ko ba yung maniligaw mo para sa'yo.
Wala po ako sasabihin iba pa, but I face na sabi nga kanina nung maid of honor and his friendly attitude and also to our busy schedules in our personal lives. Pero lagi po sa Dexter sa akin, ang maghanap ng iba, siya na talaga, swerte ka at nahanap mo si MJ. So I may...
Ano talaga, malapit sa puso namin. So kung nandito kayo ngayon, yan, namin either at what point in our lives. So ayun, medyo...
About everything, ladies and gentlemen, we have finally come to an end. It's been once again, congratulations to MJ and Lexter and host Jen.
Be better together. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Wait lang. Focus dapat eh. Wala tayo pa. Iyan na lang. Ayan. Isa pa. Yan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Doon ka tingin na. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, sa baba. Nakatayo. Ayun, no, love. Buta.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Pa!